So Skycomp is hosting a live event on June 3rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Myself, along with another virtual event and production specialist, Nick from Fellows Agency out in Hamilton, will be talking about how to take a live event from good to great. It's going to be a conversational style. There's going to be a Q&A feature where you can join in, ask questions to two professionals that have done tons and tons of live events and have done them successfully. So lots of people throughout this pandemic have been struggling to figure out technology and make technology and live events features work for them. So we have used a whole bunch of different platforms, from Zoom to Teams, vMix Call, so many to list. There are endless possibilities when it comes to technology. So I hope that you can take the evening, June 3rd at 7 p.m. That's coming up on a Thursday. If you can take a couple minutes, register for that in the description of this video, and you'll be able to join along in the conversation and maybe learn something that day. And that's what the whole point of it is. We want to show our tips and tricks and secrets that we've used in our industry to make live events great. Thanks for listening. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you then.